students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our question is, draw a pair of tangent to the circle of a radius 4 centimeter, which are inclined to each other at an angle 60 degree. So according to the question, we are supposed to make two tangents to the circle. They are meeting at one point. Two tangents which are inclined at 60 degrees. So angle here is 60 degree. So and this is the center of the circle. So if we join these lines, since this is tangent, this angle will be 90 and this angle will be 90. Let's suppose this is O, A, B and P. So in this quadrilateral O, A, P, B, sum of internal angle will be 360 degree. So sum of this two angle is 180. So sum of this two angle should be 180. So if this is 60, this angle should be 120 degree. So this is the concept that we will use to construct this drawing. Okay. So we will start with a circle. We will take a circle. See, we will take a circle like this. And what we'll do, and we need a straight lines. So first we'll make this line OA. So from center we'll make a line OA. Okay, so this is our O and this is our A. So this is our horizontal line. Now we need OB at 120 degree from OA. So OB should be at 120 degree. So how we'll make 120 degree? So what we'll do, we'll take our compass, we'll put one point here, and from other point we'll draw a semicircular arc. We'll draw a semicircular arc like this. With the same length we'll make an arc here, with the same length we'll make an arc here. So line joining this and this will give you 120 degree. Like we see two lines, line joining this and this will give you an angle which is 120 degree. So this angle will be 120 degree. Correct. Now we have OB as well. Now from OA and OB we need two lines which are at 90 degree with the OA and OB. So we are supposed to make two lines which are at 90 degree from here. So how to make 90 degree? Again we will make a semicircular arc with the same length. We'll make arc here, we'll make arc here, and from these 2 points we'll make arc here and arc here. Now line joining this two, now we'll join these 2 points, we'll get a perpendicular to OA. So we'll join these 2 points and we will get perpendicular to OA. This will be like something like this. Okay. Similarly, we will make perpendicular from here as well. We will make perpendicular from here like this. How we will make? Again a semicircular arc, one angle, two angle from here, this and this. So this will be our P point. Since this is 120, this is 90, this is 90, this will become our 60 degree angle. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.